Have you ever been in a situation where you're not so sure if you should use as if or as of? Well, you are not alone. Today we are going to break down the difference between these two commonly used phrases. Hi everyone, this is TEF and welcome to this video about as if and as of. These two phrases are similar in sound, but they have very different meanings. So let's start with as if. As if is used to describe something that is hypothetical or unlikely, or to make a comparison. For example, you might say, she walked into the room as if she owned it. This means that she entered the room with an air of confidence, just like she had complete control over it. Here are some more examples. She smiled at him as if they were old friends. The sky looked as if it was going to rain. She spoke as if she knew the answer. Now let's look at as of. As of is used to describe a specific point in time from which a particular event or condition has begun or become relevant. For example, you might say, as of today, the company's policy has changed. This means that starting from today, the company's policy is now different. Here are some more examples. As of today, the website is undergoing maintenance. As of the first quarter, the company's profits have gone up. As of my last check, the reservation is still available. So there you have it, the difference between as if and as of. Remember, as if is used to describe something hypothetical or unlikely, while as of is used to describe a specific point in time. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and follow for more helpful English tips and tricks.